Stations are getting smaller, but connectors are being asked to do more. Connectors need to reach a higher power and provide flexibility in modular, hybrid solutions. TE Connectivity's heavy-duty connectors get the job done. Our HDC solutions provide clear benefits. TE's new HDC dynamic solution provides higher reliability with dynamic contacts. 3-point contact, offering good anti-vibration capability. Available for automated crimping process. High density, with 6 modules providing up to 288 positions. Flexibility in modular solutions. Get power, data, and signal transmission in one connector. One-piece frames allow for toolless assembly. Rated up to 1000 volts and 200 amps. Customization for your unique needs. Every connection counts. TE's HDC solution ensures reliable performance, fast and low-cost assembly, and maximum machine modularity. See how at te.com/HDC.